Hi everyone, we're going to find the value of the discriminant and describe the nature of the roots. Then solve the equation 3x squared plus 5x equals 2. So the first thing we want to do is write our equation in standard form. So we're going to write this as 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Just subtract 2 from both sides. Leaves us 0 there. So for our equation, we have a equals 3, b equals 5, and c equals negative 2. So we're going to use our discriminant b squared minus 4ac and describe the nature of roots. So we have 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 2. So this gives us 25 minus 12, so let's be plus 24 equals 49. This is positive. That's what this means. Is it positive? Does it equal 0 or is it negative? So since it's positive, we have two distinct real roots, meaning real numbers, as opposed to imaginary numbers. All right, now we're going to solve using the quadratic formula. So again, a was 3, b was 5, and c was negative 2. So we have x equals negative b plus or minus, and we already did the discriminant. That was 49. Divided by 2a. So square root of 49 is 7. So we get x equals negative 5 plus or minus 7 divided by 6. So let's write this out. We get two distinct real roots, negative 5 plus 7 divided by 6, and negative 5 minus 7 divided by 6. This gives you 2/6, which equals 1/3. This gives you negative 12 divided by 6, which equals negative 2. So our solutions are x equals 1/3 and x equals negative 2. Those are just two distinct real roots. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.